We're going to be good.
Okay.
Oh, good. In the upper Midwest, one woman represents two separate yet equally important groups: the attorney who fights for justice and civil servant who processes the paperwork. These are her stories.
All right, Nicholas.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Minnesota, June 25, 1961. Navy pilot John Smith names fifth child Tracy Marie. Known aliases include Mutt Mutt, Muttimer, John John, and Trixie. Sunday Mass, Sacred Heart Church, Cedar Avenue, Owatonna, Minnesota, September 22, 1968. Tracy, cousin Monica, and friend Megan Cashman display their considerable musical talents on ukuleles.
Oh no!
Don Ho turns over in his yet-to-be-dug grave. Owatonna, Minnesota, November 1968. Tracy, master of the obvious, authors a book, Why Dogs Chase Cats. Owatonna, citywide gymnastics meet, January 1972. Tracy's perfected roundout routine ends with a fall on her head, dashing her Olympic hopes and leading to her career in law. Owatonna, Minnesota, early 1970s. Tracy joins forces with similarly stick-figured pals, Monica and Casey, to form the crew known throughout the neighborhood as the Slivs, short for Slivers. Spring 1976. As the country celebrates the bicentennial, scrawny 15-year-old Tracy continues to wear the same pants she wore as a toddler, albeit with random fabrics sewn on the bottom hem so the ever-lengthening pants cover her long legs. French Club Initiation, spring 1978. Brian, her dickla, wakes up Tracy while she is in full mime regalia. Tracy is Marcel Marceau angry. Washington, D.C., March 30th, 1981. Tracy, often mistaken for Jodie Foster, is stood up for a date by John Hinckley Jr. Georgetown University, Washington, D.C., winter 1982. Tracy realizes she has stopped growing. Ever-lengthening toddler pants are traded to Patrick Ewing in exchange for a beard. University of Minnesota Law School, April 1987. Tracy publishes a comment on Forrester versus White. She sides with the Subaru. St. Paul, Minnesota, summer 1987. Tracy interns at the Attorney General's office. She almost shows Norm Coleman her apartment. After almost kissing Tracy, Norm turns Republican. University of Minnesota Law School, spring 1988. Tracy serves as articles editor of the Law Review and is honored with the Order of the Coif. Whatever the hell that is. Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, 1988 and 1989. St. Paul, Minnesota, 1989 and 1994. Tracy serves as Assistant Attorney General for the state of Minnesota, Consumer Division. Ironically, Tracy hates shopping. Tracy succeeds in her first big case against Alpine Air with no consequences. Fairview Hospital, Minneapolis, Minnesota, September 8, 1999. Tracy gives birth to Michael. Tracy is no longer smartest member of family. McNamara Alumni Center, October 2007. Champion of the First Amendment, Tracy defends students who post compromising photos of Goldie the Gopher on Facebook, superscript TM. Plus, the pictures are great. 5017 Vincent Avenue South, Minneapolis, Minnesota, April 2010. Tracy adopts puppy Chelsea.
Aww.
Tracy is no longer cutest member.
She is, though, still second smartest member.
Minnesota Court of Appeals, July 11, 2011. On the Facebook, superscript TM, Tracy unfriends mortuary science student Amanda Beth. St. Paul, Minnesota, September 2011. After a series of mysterious puppy illnesses, an individual identified only as JCP is investigated for feeding grapes to a dog. Lake City, Minnesota, September 19, 2011. Tracy successfully protects the magically delicious transsexual flavor of the Sweet Tango variety. How about them apples?